Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in cybersecurity to keep you safe and savvy. Today's video is all about how to remove threats found by Windows Defender in 2025. If you've ever gotten that scary notification from Windows Defender about potential threats, you're not alone. It's a common issue, but don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step. This is super important because in 2025, with more advanced cyber threats out there, staying protected is key to safeguarding your data. First things first, let's open up Windows Security. You can do this by searching for Windows Security in your taskbar or going through the Start menu. Once you're in, navigate to the Virus and Threat Protection section. This is your gateway to all things malware and virus related. If you haven't run a scan recently, go ahead and click on Scan Options and choose a quick or full scan based on your needs. Remember, a full scan might take a bit longer, but it's thorough. After the scan completes, you'll see a summary of any threats detected. Windows Defender is pretty user-friendly, so look for the Threat History or Protection History tab. Here, you'll find a list of potential issues, like viruses, spyware, or other malware. To remove them, simply select the threat and choose the Remove or Quarantine option. Quarantining is like putting it in digital isolation, which is safer if you're not sure about the file. Once you've taken action, Windows Defender will handle the rest. It might ask you to restart your computer to fully eliminate the threat. Don't skip this step, it's crucial for completing the process. And hey, while we're at it, make sure your Windows Defender is up to date. In 2025, Microsoft has made updates even easier, so check for any pending updates in the settings. To wrap this up, removing threats with Windows Defender is straightforward and effective, but prevention is always better than cure. Use strong passwords, enable real-time protection, and avoid suspicious downloads. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Stay secure out there. See you in the next video.